Hello everyone, what is up and welcome back to the channel iRumors. In today's video, we are going to be doing a RAM upgrade on the 2009 iMac. If you still have it around and if it's still working, you want to change it, this video is for you. Usually, for those of you who have seen my old self-repair videos, I do a lot of self-repair videos showing all of you a step-by-step guide on how to upgrade or even replace an SSD or hard drive. So this is one of those self-repair videos. Repairing your own device definitely saves you money, and at the same time you can learn a few skills on how to repair your own devices. So let me just show all of you the entire steps on how to upgrade the RAM on your 2009 iMac. So without further ado, let's get started and upgrade the RAM. I hope the view from here is quite good. Firstly, I've turned the iMac around, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the plug. So we've got the power socket right here pulled out. We just want to ensure that there's no any electric that passes through, so always remember to pull the plug out before you do any upgrades. Now we have to make the iMac lie down flat. As you can see here, I've got my iMac laid down on the table right here, and I've got the stand extended all the way to the top, and here we've got our usual repair kit that we use. This box right here is our new RAM that we have. Let's start and let me show you these steps. Now, I'm sorry for the view, but this is how I managed to show all of you how to open it, because the RAM door is right here. I will just lay the iMac flat on the tabletop. I can't seem to get a right view, so this is the maximum view that I can get, so I'm sorry for that. I hope you all can see it. So firstly, we've got 1, 2 and 3. We've got 3 screws right here. We just got to open this in order for us to access the RAM door for the iMac. So let's quickly open this. Now, as you can see here, the RAM door is open and you've got access to the entire RAM slots. Now let's take a closer look. Here we have all the RAM slots, as you can see here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out this small pull tab over here. We've got remove both the pull tabs over here. We've got both the pull tabs out. So what we have to do is we just got to gently pull both the pull tabs over here, and the RAM slots will be out. You can see the difference. Both the RAM slots are now open. I had to do it off camera because it was slightly hard for me to pull both of these two out. So let me just pull all the RAMs out. There we go. Now let's pull out the last RAM stick over here. There we go. All the RAMs are out. We have 4 RAM sticks and all of them are out now. Now we're going to replace it with some brand new RAMs that I have. Let's quickly unbox these RAMs and take a look at it. Now let's open it up and take a look at the RAM. Okay, there we go. These are the bunch of RAMs that I got. So let's open it up. Okay. Wow, we've even got a Phillips head screw here right here. So now let's open this RAM modules up. Okay, here we've unboxed all our new RAMs. Now let's slot them inside the iMac. Now it's going to be the same process as we take out. Yep, we just got to make sure that it's straight up and we can just slot them in. Now you can see here that we've got all our 4 RAMs seated in right here. So once the RAM is put into place, you just got to make sure that it's clipped into place, because once you place it in, you gotta clip it into place and make sure that there's a clicking sound inside of it. It's actually quite hard to make it feel. Sometimes it feels that the RAM is seated, but it's probably not seated. So just gotta push it back into place, ensure that you hear the clicking sound, and once you know the RAM is seated into place, it's fully in, fully tucked in. This pull tab right here is important because that's the one that's gonna help us to remove the RAM also. So make sure everything's tucked in right and well, and now we can put the RAM door back and close it. There we go. The RAM door is back into place. Everything nice and well. Now we are going to go to the main part, which is going to see if this iMac turns on after we do the RAM upgrade. Let's go. Let's turn on this switch at the back and let's turn this iMac on. The new RAM is slotted in. Let's give it some time to see if it boots up. There we go. That's a success. We've got the new RAMs slotted in, all done, and the iMac is booting up. We've got the Apple mouse and keyboard right here. Now we just gotta wait for it to turn on and we can check the RAM, and the RAM upgrade is done. Okay, the iMac is turned on right now. Memory 8GB, DDR3 RAM, and there we go. Our upgrade for this late 2009 iMac is successful. That was the RAM upgrade on the 21.5-inch 2009 iMac. So I already did try to do it in a really simple way as possible. I hope for those of you who want to use this video as your guide to also either upgrading or either replacing the RAM, just in case your RAM also spoiled like mine. Yeah, usually all of my videos it'll be really clear. I'll really show it to you, but this iMac I had to face it down on the screen and I had to do it. So I hope some of the shots were not blurry, and I really hope you all managed to upgrade your RAM perfectly. I took about an hour to do this because I'm shooting video, and at the same time, if not the maximum you would take is about 10 minutes. And I think this is also my first video in which the RAM or the hard drive actually spoiled. Usually all the ones that I do is usually I'll just show it in a method, but actually my MacBook will be still working fine. So this is my first time I'm actually replacing the RAM, actually taking it out and replacing it with a new piece. So that's a new experience for me too. The reason why I didn't max out the RAM was mainly because of price. This 4M6, 2GB each, so that's 8 gigs, and I got it for $20. And if I want to get the 16 gig and if I want to max out, it was $40, and I felt like $40 wasn't worth for this iMac, because this iMac I'm only using it for web browsing and I barely even use this iMac nowadays. So I didn't feel like the 16 gig maxing out the RAM for 16 gig was worth it. If this RAM spoils again or if something happened, the next time that I'm gonna do the RAM upgrade, of course I won't be doing a video about it because I've already done once now. The next time I'm upgrading, I'll probably push it up to 16 gig, but let's see about it. So let's see how it works. That's actually been it for this video. If you like what you saw, if you like this type of repair videos, love tech, then do remember to click the like button to this video so it gets into a lot of other people's feed too, and they can make their electronics live longer too. So, and if you want to show some support, I really appreciate it if you could click the subscribe button, and of course leave a comment below on whether you like this video or if there's anything that you want me to change. If there's anything there's any improvements to this video in terms of editing or whatever, in terms of the production quality, anything, or you want to say anything, just leave it in the comments below. The comment section are always open and I would love to read all your comments. So with that, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch all of you in the next video. Bye bye.